Hello students, now in this preparation of the 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, in the first step we will take the 10 ml of the glacial acetic acid in one beaker, and into that glacial acetic acid we will add 2.5 ml of the aniline. So here we added this 2.5 ml of the aniline. So we can call this as a solution A. Now in the next step we will take 10 ml of the glacial acetic acid in the flask, and into that flask we will add 4.2 ml of the bromine solution. Now here we will take the 4.2 ml of the bromine, and we will add this 4.2 ml of the bromine into the flask having the 10 ml of the glacial acetic acid. This you need to perform in the fuming cupboard, and after addition you need to place the stopper on the flask. So here we added this 4.2 ml of the bromine into the flask. Place the stopper. Step, keep this solution A for cooling and add the second solution, that is glacial acetic acid and bromine, drop wise in the solution A. And stir the solution frequently. So this is the exothermic reaction. So we need to add the solution B into solution A in a cooling condition. So after addition of this bromine and glacial acetic acid into the solution of the aniline and glacial acetic acid solution, you can see here the crude 2,4,6 tribromoaniline compound is formed here. Now this crude 2,4,6 tribromoaniline will filter here. Now we need to purify our crude 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. So here we are taking here solvent ethanol, and we need to add this our crude product into the ethanol. So it will get dissolved. Right, so it get dissolved. it will get dissolved. Now you can complete addition of the crude product into the ethanol. We need to filter it immediately. This filtration assembly must be already preheated. Now after filtration, don't keep this beaker immediately into the ice for cooling. Allow it to come into the room temperature and then keep it into the ice for cooling. Now you can see here the crystals of the 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. This is a pure form of the 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. Now in the next step you need to filter this and keep it for drying.